Scoro stands out as a powerful all-in-one business management software designed to streamline workflows, boost productivity, and provide a comprehensive overview of your projects and business operations. However, like any robust tool, unlocking its full potential requires adopting effective best practices. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting to explore Scoro, this guide will walk you through key strategies to optimize your usage and achieve project success. 1. Lay a solid foundation. Setting up Scoro for success. Before diving into daily tasks, take the time to configure Scoro correctly. This initial investment will pay dividends in the long run. Define your organizational structure. Accurately reflect your company's departments, teams, and individual roles within Scoro. This ensures clear accountability and facilitates efficient task assignment and reporting. Customize your workflow stages. Tailor the project and task statuses to match your unique processes. This provides a visual representation of progress and helps identify bottlenecks. Avoid generic labels. Instead, use specific stages like planning, in progress, client review, and completed. Establish clear user permissions. Assign appropriate access levels to different users based on their roles and responsibilities. This safeguards sensitive information and prevents unauthorized modifications. Integrate with essential tools. Leverage Scoro's integration capabilities with other business applications like email, calendar, and accounting software. This eliminates data silos and ensures seamless information flow. 2. Master the art of project planning and definition. Effective project management hinges on meticulous planning. Scoro offers features to help you define projects clearly and set them up for success. Create detailed project plans. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks with defined deadlines, assignees, and dependencies. This fosters clarity and allows for better progress tracking. Utilize Scoro's Gantt chart view for a visual overview of the project timeline. Define clear project budgets. Establish realistic budgets for both time and costs. Track actual expenses and time spent against the budget to identify potential overruns early on. Scoro's budgeting features allow you to monitor profitability in real time. Utilize project templates. For recurring project types, create and save templates with predefined tasks, timelines, and resources. This saves significant time and ensures consistency across similar projects. Document everything. Use Scoro's project description and file management features to store all relevant project information, including briefs, specifications, and communication logs. This creates a central repository for easy access and reference. 3. Optimize task management for enhanced productivity. Efficient task management is crucial for keeping projects on track. Scoro provides tools to organize, assign, and monitor tasks effectively. Break down work into actionable tasks. Avoid vague task descriptions. Instead, define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART tasks. Assign tasks clearly. Assign each task to a specific individual with a clear deadline. This ensures accountability and avoids confusion about who is responsible for what. Prioritize tasks effectively. Utilize Scoro's priority settings to highlight urgent or critical tasks. Encourage team members to focus on high-priority items first. Track time diligently. Encourage team members to accurately track their time spent on tasks. This provides valuable insights into project progress, resource allocation, and overall efficiency. Scoro's timer functionality makes time tracking seamless. Utilize task dependencies. When tasks are dependent on each other, define these dependencies in Scoro. This ensures that tasks are completed in the correct order and helps identify potential delays. 4. Streamline communication and collaboration. Effective communication is the lifeblood of successful projects. Scoro offers features to facilitate seamless collaboration among team members and with clients. Utilize Scoro's communication tools. Leverage the platform's built-in commenting and messaging features to keep project-related discussions centralized and easily accessible. Avoid relying solely on email for internal communication. Share files and documents securely. Use Scoro's file management system to share relevant documents with team members and clients. Control access permissions to ensure data security. Keep clients informed. Utilize Scoro's reporting and communication features to provide clients with regular updates on project progress, milestones achieved, and potential roadblocks. Transparency builds trust and manages expectations. Centralize feedback. Encourage team members and clients to provide feedback directly within Scoro on specific tasks or deliverables. This keeps feedback contextual and actionable. 5. Leverage reporting and analytics for continuous improvement. Scoro's powerful reporting and analytics capabilities provide valuable insights into project performance, team productivity, and overall business health. Regularly review key performance indicators. KPIs identify the KPIs that are most relevant to your project goals and monitor them regularly in Scoro. This could include project profitability, task completion rates, resource utilization, and client satisfaction. Generate custom reports. Utilize Scoro's reporting tools to create customized reports that provide specific insights into areas of interest. Analyze trends and identify areas for improvement. Track resource utilization. Monitor how effectively your team members are being utilized across different projects. This helps identify potential overloads or underutilization and informs resource allocation decisions. Analyze project profitability. Regularly review project profitability reports to understand which types of projects are most successful and identify areas where costs can be optimized. Use dashboards for a quick overview. Customize your Scoro dashboard to display the most important KPIs and project information at a glance. This provides a real-time snapshot of your business performance. 6. Embrace continuous learning and adaptation. Scoro is a dynamic platform with regular updates and new features. To maximize its benefits, embrace a mindset of continuous learning and adaptation. Stay updated with Scoro's new features. Regularly review Scoro's release notes and participate in webinars or training sessions to learn about new functionalities and how they can benefit your workflows. Encourage team training. Ensure that all team members are properly trained on how to use Scoro effectively. Provide ongoing support and resources to address any questions or challenges. Regularly review and refine your processes. As your business evolves, so should your use of Scoro. Periodically review your workflows and identify areas where Scoro can be used more efficiently. Seek support when needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to Scoro's support team or consult their knowledge base if you encounter any issues or have questions about specific features.